right, we got cut off. So we were here, and I went ahead and did the rest of these colors just by clicking and getting the 3 dots. And that's the whole thing. See all those dots? Don't want to do that. Just that slice, and then putting in the color. Now I also deleted the legend over here because the legend said this color is brown, this color is blue, this color is yellow. Well, obviously, right? So you want to delete that, and it specifically says there you want to delete that legend because it no longer makes sense to have it on there. Alright, since it's no longer necessary. We know red is red and so forth. Now, we want to show the title. So I wrote the title exactly the way it is over here in the instructions. And then you're going to add some data labels. Okay, so normally when I choose one, it usually comes up with the frequency, the value, and not the percent. But I'm asking you to have the percent and the frequency. So it says select add data labels, have the frequency added. So that's what we're going to do here. And I'm going to take this out. And we've got data labels here. So I'm going to go ahead and get down here to more options. And so I'm going to get the value, that's the frequency, and the percent. And I'm going to make sure that I can see these, because if I'm using dark ink and it's on one of these darker ones, you're not going to be able to see that. So we may have to move things around. And I can do that by moving these out this way, or even way outside, find the best fit. So any of those will work as long as I can read them. Alright, so we've got the data labels, we've formatted it, and so now we're going to put everything together on one page. So here's what we're going to do. And I know some people don't have experience with this, so no big deal. We're going to go ahead and create a Word file. Let's see if I open it up, what pops up. It's probably that, yeah, there we are. So we get a blank Word file here. And this is going to be Graphing Lab. Well, let's see what I said to name it here. Statistics Lab 1, so very specific there. Statistics Lab 1. Lab 1. Alright. And then I'm going to, this is a doc or a PDF, one of those, paste the pie chart, the histogram, the frequency polygon all on one page. Your name doesn't need to be on it these days. I should take that out. So we named it over this. If you go over one page, you lose 5 points. So be careful there. Looks like an extra space might be in there. All right. Yeah. All right. So now I'm going to go in and get my M&M colors, and I'm going to start with the first one because that makes more sense, doesn't it? Let's slide this up a little bit. See if I can get to it from here. There we go, that's better. Whoa, just jumping all over. Sheet 1. So here's the diversity one you're going to do, but I did it on rain or no rain, so I'm going to just copy this, right click and copy, and then I'll go over here and right click and paste, and I look and see which one looks good. They all look pretty much the same. So I'll put that in there and then add a space. Now I'm going to go to my sheet 2. And this is going to be the one that's going to have all the years from 1951 to the latest. And I would have a new title on there and a title here. This would be my income, however it's reported. And then I'm going to take this one and copy it and put it down here. And I can choose any one of these. And then I'm going to go to my pie chart. which is on sheet 3. I'm going to copy that and scroll down on this page. Or to get past it. And put in my pie chart. Alright, now that definitely goes over one page. So I can make these smaller, but the first thing I'm probably going to do is go to Layout and make my margins really small. So that'll help a lot. Well, look, that did it for us. And since you don't really need to put your name on there, you're pretty much done. We should make this look better by, by making it larger and centered. And now are we still okay? Because I can always go in here and make these smaller. Right? Isn't that cool how it does that? It's smaller. So part of your issue is going to be collecting the data. So now you're just going to submit these 3 using the data in the Graphing Lab, which looks like that. See the green 4, yellow 3, and put it all on one page, and then submit it into the Dropbox. So that'll be assessments, assignments in D2L, and I'll get it back to you as soon as possible. So I hope this is clear. If you have to watch it more than once, no big deal. And I will be talking to you at the next class. Bye-bye.